So are you feeling better since we started the care?
Much better.
Okay. How long did you say you ran? A mile?
I was able to run a mile.
That's pretty good.
And then walk a mile.
That's pretty good considering that you were in a lot of pain.
Yes.
So we're improving. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your middle back. Okay? Take a deep breath in. Out. Good. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay, good. Go on your side, please. Face me. Okay. There we go. Pillow. Okay, so keep this leg straight, please. This goes like this. Give me your left hand, please. Okay, this goes here. Move a little bit closer to the edge of the table. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the pelvis now. Okay? Good. That was a good movement. Okay. How's your neck doing since we started?
It's getting much better. I have more movement.
That's good. Okay. Back. Let's do your lumbar spine. So the next goal is to do two miles run.
Yes.
Okay. Go on this side, please. I'm going to adjust your lumbar spine. That was pelvis, now we're going to do lumbar.